Hi folks, in this video demonstration I'll show you how to update your Font Awesome social icons, and we'll show you how to add, how to remove, and that sort of a thing. So let's just start with our website open in Expression Web, and I'll show you the first thing is actually opening up your library page and then removing the icons. Then we'll move on to updating and adding more. So expand your library folder, expand the shared folder, and the social icons. You'll know if you have the Font Awesome social icons because when you actually open up the social icons library page, you can, if in design view, all you'll see is maybe some dots. You won't actually see any icons. If you flip it over to the code view, you'll see the links right here. The reason you don't see any icons in here is because we haven't linked a style sheet into this particular library page. It just makes it faster and easier to work with. And we put a few default links in here right now. So if you don't need a particular icon, well, you just look at the existing links that we already have in here. And it basically tells you this is a Google, this is Twitter, Facebook. When using Font Awesome, everything is obvious. It will tell you if it's a Yelp or a YouTube or a Tumblr icon. If you don't want it, just select the entire line and delete, just like so. Now that's it. To add more icons, all you do is you just copy an existing line and paste it in there as many times for as many more icons as you need. Keeping in mind, you make sure you have the room for them, right? And once you've done that, then what you do is you just fire up a web browser. And I just suggest you go to google.com and type in Font Awesome. Just like that. And the first thing that's going to come up is the Font Awesome website. Click on that, and you can get started right away by going to the Icons tab. And then you can spend the next hour and a half running through all the different icons that they have. Lots of them in here. Okay, just like that. So find the ones you want, and here's my little trick, or what I suggest you do. Let's say we want to use a PayPal icon. We click the actual link, and right down here it says FA PayPal, and there's the whole icon class right there. And you can keep in mind, you can use these throughout your entire build of your website. You can use these at any place you want. So you could actually just grab the entire icon class here. You could copy it and you could paste it anywhere in your site that you want an icon to show up now. But we just want the social icon to show up. So we're just going to grab this information in here right in between the double quotes. We're going to copy it and go back to our web editor. And right over here where we see the I class, you see the FA and then the FA Facebook. Well, what we're going to do is just this information here. We're going to replace that with our new link. And then you would do the same for this one and this one and this one. And once you've updated the links, or sorry, the classes, then you would go over here and update whatever the link to your whatever page you want it to go to. And this is totally within your control. You can send that when somebody clicks on that icon, you can send them to whatever page you want as long as you update the link correctly. Okay, and just as a side note, in this example we have this FA 2 times, FA, FW, all this information. You can learn more about that right on the Font Awesome website if you really want to, under the what's new, getting started, I think. Getting started, or what's new. Anyways, in a nutshell, what that really does is it just determines the size of the icon. You can use 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, I believe. We've tried to determine a size that will work nicely in the template. So you'll see something different in yours perhaps, but that's, if you see that, that's what it means. Also this here, this bit of information, basically it tells it to each icon to display the same width, because some icons are wider and some are than others, but we want them to all line up nicely and evenly, and this is basically what that does.